Hey traders, this is CN Trader here. I wanted to briefly go over something that's been being debated on a different thread than mine actually. Why my attention is drawn to it is beyond me, but I had several traders PM me with concern as to whether or not or how proper placement of Fibonacci levels or measuring the harmonic rhythm of the market is supposed to be done based on this post that was put forth. And so I wanted to clear some things up. Let me start out by saying that I think this trader is a very good trader. They don't need any validation. Um, they are perfectly doing a great job on their thread. They're successful. And so this is a trader that I respect very much. He's come a long way over the last few years. So, but that said, let's start off by talking about what's good here, what I see that's legitimate. And the first thing is we got a nice area that's shaded in here very nicely. And you could see it comes in at some really nice structure that's coming in here. And we got a potential inverse head and shoulder that's happening, left shoulder, head, right shoulder that's potentially taking place. And he's got a nice AB equals CD placement. I would have the C begin here, but you know, some people like to get rid of that noise, and I'll do it sometimes on some pairs as well, so especially the pound, but they like to get rid of this noise. It's kind of just noise, a nice little stop hunt before coming down and breaking through this level here, which is actually an extension. So where is the debate happening? The debate is happening as to where this Fibonacci a tool is being used, or how it's being used, what it's measuring, the swing high to swing low, or swing low to swing high. And so if we take a good look at this, we can see that this measurement begins here and measures this leg. Now this is a bearish leg. So you're not looking for a retracement from this swing low to this swing high. You cannot retrace a bearish move bearishly, right? This is really this move here that he has at an ABC is actually a continuation, or a potential continuation, of this bearish move that takes place. And we'll see where it eventually does end up, if it respects this area, gives us the behavior to go long, or if it continues to drop down even further. And I can see some areas down below that price could go to. So the proper way to actually draw this Fibonacci level is taking this level right here and bringing it right to here. So now you're measuring this swing low to this swing high, and you're looking for a retracement of this move. That when you're going to go down into a bearish retracement, it's got to come off a bullish move. Just like when this bearish move came down here, we had a bullish retracement. Okay, we had price go to the upside after coming down. This move is a retracement of this leg, this swing high to this swing low. Okay, this move here is not a retracement of this swing low to the swing high, because the move is already to the downside. Now that's very important to understand how you're supposed to draw these when traders are trying to figure out how they're going to find harmonic patterns, where they're going to start X at. I understand what this trader is doing. I understand his A, B equals CD. I understand this level. This 618 is not appropriate. All right, the measurement has to come down here, and then it'll be a legitimate retracement for potential continuation of this move. All right, or we can continue to go down, which would be a continuation of this bearish move. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. Again, I'm not saying anything against this trader. He's done a great job for himself. He's successful, and I would, you know, he's a great leader on his thread. So perhaps it's just a mistake he's made here, an oversight when responding to somebody. I don't know, but you know, he's trading his own way. He's doing his own thing, and he's found success in what he's doing, which is something I always encourage. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys. asking questions, and anybody else who has a question on this, I hope it helps you. I'd like to be done with this conversation going forward. I really don't want to discuss what this trader's doing or people's whining and crying about how he's drawing stuff. Let him do his own analysis. He's successful. If you don't like what he has to do, don't follow him. But there's no reason to be rude or say bad things about him or speak abusively, go on his thread, start making all these accusations and calling him all these names. It's probably a simple mistake. Maybe he didn't look at it. Maybe he's busy. It's a busy time of year. Maybe he's busy enjoying time with his loved ones and his family like I am. All right, so let it go. This is the proper way. The way I showed you is the proper way to do it. This is improper. Now you know. You can let it go. I hope it helps. Enjoy. Have fun. Trade your plan. Make a great day. Do your own due diligence. And may we all make bank. Game-changing bank. The kind of bank that makes you just think and grow.